Alrighty, today we're going to go over how to draw Baby Yoda meeting regular Yoda. I mean, you know, basically it's Grogu, right? Meeting Yoda, but this was fan requested. Somebody requested it in the comments, and I wanted to make it happen because it sounded super fun. So thank you. I forgot who that was. Let me know. And that's it. Let's jump right into the lesson, okay? Okay, let's go over this. I'm going to draw little Baby Yoda first, or Grogu, yeah. Gonna go over here, start a straight line for one of his ears. Curve line for his head. And line for his other ear, the top of the other ear. So be straight, bump straight. Down under here, in. Go over here. Down under here, in. So we got the ears. All right, gonna go down to the side of his face, curve in. Side over here, curve in. He's got that cute little face. And more or less gonna go straight across. Let's draw his outfit. He's got this giant, I don't know, like a scarf thing going on. It's almost like his coat bends over really far, so it looks like a scarf. Down over here, up. Over here on this side. All right. So before I do that, actually, I'm going to go over here and continue down this little outfit. Wiggle it down. And straight line on this side. You can't really see his feet, so I'm not even going to put him in there. I'm going to draw a break here in the cloth. Line, almost like little seeds with, you know, basically how it's tied together. Over here, out, down for the sleeve. Cuff of the, you know, the wrist there. And then the hand over here on this side. Same thing on this end. All right, over here, curve for one eye, curve in for the other, for underneath. This side, over underneath, circle. It's gonna be for like highlights in his eyes, and I'm gonna fill in the entire eye dark except for that highlight. All right, line underneath. Curve for the nose, really just like a letter C for the nose. A little straight line for the mouth. And let's go over here for the inner ear, okay? Up, out. Up, out for the inner ear. So that's Baby Yoda. You can draw a little curved line on the top here for the brow area. Even like draw a little hair. That's Baby Yoda. Or, you know, Grogu. Let's draw Big Yoda. Gonna go over here and make him quite a bit taller. Curve underneath, like so, for the bottom of his head. Line on the right side of his face, line on the left side. Gonna give a space there, and I'm gonna almost like completing a circle. And draw the top of the head, but I'm gonna leave a space open for the ears to come out. Going over here, line out for the one ear. Go over here on the left side, out for the other ear. Pulling in, and pulling back up. Pulling in, back up over here. Gonna go over here on this side, line for the inner ear, over here, line for the inner ear. Going over here, dot, dot, marking the dots out. Curve for his one eye, top of his one eye. Curve right here for the top of the other eye. line underneath, line underneath. Gonna draw a line right here for the iris and the pupil and make it a little bit bigger. Same thing over here. Over here. I'm filling that out. Let's go over here to the nose, curve, and we're gonna have little tiny nostrils on the right and left side. Line over here from the nostril down. It's gonna be the kind of lines on the cheek. And then I'm gonna draw a kind of smile there below. So Master Yoda is really old, so he's gonna have a line across the head here, across the head, maybe even like this direction. Eyelids, so it's just like a curved arc. And now let's draw his outfit. Right here, let's get that Jedi robe. Let's find the inside, down, inside, down, all the way to the ground here, pulling out over here the shoulder, down over here to the arm, and then curve down for that Jedi robe that he has. Gonna go up, line below for the lower part of his inside, and then the other part over here of this robe. Out over here the shoulder, down, line for the armpit area. I'm gonna go over here and draw this in here, like these two lines across, which are this funky belt he has, and maybe some lines coming out of that, like it's folded cloth, because he kind of has that going on. Line over here for the folded robe. From the armpit, I'm gonna go up to the shoulder, over here as well. That's gonna be kind of for the everything there. His hand is coming out, right? Maybe like his knuckle in his hand, and it's gonna be grabbing a cane, because Master Yoda has a stick for a cane. And lastly, I'm gonna draw his foot. He has this Muppet foot over here, pulling up. And he has it on the other side too, but we're not gonna draw as much. You won't see it as much over there. For details, you can draw a bag under his eye, bag under the other eye, because he is supposed to be really old. Maybe a line over here for the under ear, but those lines will be thinner because you want them to be detailed.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff, about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.